There is a new controversy raising its head over former MLA and poet Vishnu Surya Wagh's book SudirSukta because it's elected for Goa Konkani Academy's Literary Award. Bailanso Equote President Oda Viegas has filed 2 police complaints against this book.
The poem in the SudirSukta largely talks about the discrimination meted out by the higher caste people against the downtrodden, which Wagh refers as Sudir. But Oda alleges that some of the poems in the book are abusive to women and also targets one particular community. She has filed a police complaint at Panji and Madgaon police station against Wagh as well as publisher Apurabai Prakashan.
आणि जे वेळार आम्ही एक बुक प्रमोट करतात कोंकणी लिटरेचर म्हणून ते वेळार आम्ही विचार करपा जाय कसले प्रोजेक्शन आम्ही समाजाक दितातले. हातूंत 3-4 कविता पळय आसा त्यो हांवें वाचल्या आनी त्यो सामके बायलेची डिग्निटी पळय आसा ती सामकी नीच पातळेचेर वतात. ती एक कमोडिटी जाता वापरपाची दादल्यांनी आपलो लस्ट सॅटिस्फाय करपाक. बायलेक आयडेंटिटी कांय ना. If Konkani Academy is giving an award to him, they are giving an award to phonography and not to literature. I am a literature student twice, not once, and that also post-graduation. I have read literatures of the world. And tatun hi bhasha, osli bhasha vaparna. They talk about sexuality, they talk about sex. But it can be explained in a much better way. Maka म्हणपाचें आसा, no one can promote a book like this. The state should come down heavily on this book.
Freedom fighter Gurunath Kaulekar as well as the teacher Mangala Karapurkar has also raised their own objections. According to Kaulekar, noted Marathi Dalit poem Namdev Dasal was wrote such poems, but there is a difference.
नामदेव ढसाळ म्हणटा तो दलित तो ताणें भोगलां सामकें आनी भोगूना ह्या मनशान. हाजे बापायन भोगूना, हाजे बापायक हांव वळखता सुर्या वाघाक. आपल्या समाजान भोगलां अशें म्हणटा तो मान्य, समाजाची तूं टिका कर. पूण असले तरेची टिका ते म्हणून ताणें ते आनी आमी ते आतां ताका सांगपा जाय फ्रिडम मुवमेंटान ते आशिल्ले म्हणून 1 आनी 2 न्ही कितलेशेच आशिल्ले. तांची सगळ्यांची भाटाबेसक गेली लिबरल ते.
कोंकणी अकादमीच्या अध्यक्षान जो सध्या पळयता ताणें हो ऑर्डर करून मुद्दम मागून घेतलो आनी जे परीक्षक 3 आशिल्ले तांचे कडेन दिलें की हो बुक सिलेक्ट करचो. आनी तातूंतली म्हजे म्हळ्यार 2 जाण ते वेल नोन रायटर पोएट, बट एक जी बायल मनीस जी तांणी त्या परीक्षक मंडळाचेर दवरिल्ली आसा ती तिजें साहित्यीक कंट्रिब्युशन कांय ना, जस्ट अ टीचर.
Madgaon police, however, have decided to proceed with the complaint only after reading the book and taking legal opinion.
तो कविताचो बुक काडल्या उपरांत आमी स्टडी करता आनी ओपिनियन घेता whether this amounts to any defamation or defamatory.
Our reporter Ramesh Raiknaut from Madgaon.